Well, the snow has turned out to be a little bit more than expected. Big, huge flakes falling. Not exactly a northeastern type of snowstorm, but pretty impressive for early January in Texas. Just in case you were wondering why I hadn't really started doing any detecting yet, this could possibly be the reason.
Well guys, I am on my way home from work, and I honestly don't think that I've seen this thick a snowfall in Dallas in 4 or 5 years. Kind of unusual for the Lone Star State at any time it moves down this far. With the Panhandle, they get a lot more than we do, but we don't get this much snow ever, really, in North Central Texas. Fortunately, my commute is pretty short, so I actually don't live that far from where I work. But at rush hour, if the snow keeps up, we won't have any slick roads, but visibility might be affected. Right now, the visibility is so poor in the distance, it looks like there's a little fog ahead. Well, made it home. Weather's still screwed up.
The winter wonderland of North Central Texas. It's actually not that cold. It's in the 20s, but it doesn't feel bad. The wind has died down. You can see the snow is falling straight down, so it's pretty pleasant. Nice view. Hey guys, thought I'd get out here with the Lumix. It's my biggest 4K camera. It's the lower cost Lumix, and we can compare it against the results from the Sony action cam I used earlier, and get another more pictorial view of the snow today. Kind of exciting. We don't get snow every year, and we don't get this much snow hardly ever. So I thought I would commemorate this and maybe make a video.